our tree fell down. I think the branch got broken, Ru. Yes, Ru.
What is this?
I don't know, Ru. You go try to go underneath it, Ru.
I think it's a ladder tree.
Ladder tree? Oh no. Be careful, it might fall down on you.
This one might fall down on me.
The whole thing might fall down on you, Ru. Stay away from there. Come na.
I think the branch is there. That's the one got broken. Look.
Okay. Yeah.
It got very windy last night. And then I was still asleep.
Very windy last night. Was very windy.